This is the brand new 37-piece 1/4" drive socket and bit set from Nerrad Tools. And the first thing you'll notice is it's bright red, which makes it really easy to find whether it's in your bag or in your van. It's compact, it's sturdy, and it's got a padlock eye if you choose to lock up your tools. Let's pop it open. First thing I notice is the printed graphic. That makes it really easy to find all the tools that you've got in here and keep everything organised. So the first tool I'd like to highlight is the 1/4" drive reversible ratchet handle, and that's got a 72 tooth positive lock. All the tools are made of chrome vanadium steel, so they're really sturdy, really tough, and look really good as well. Next we have a 1/4" spanner handle, and this is designed to be used with all the components in this kit. So we have 13 sockets, and these range from 4 to 14mm with a few half sizes included, and they just snap in and lock in tight. They feel really good to use. So it's got a really comfortable rubber grip on this spanner handle, which just means after a long amount of use it'll still be comfortable. Also included is a 1/4" coupler, and this 1/4" coupler is designed to be used with all 16 of these bits. And these 16 bits include slotted, Pozi, Hex and Torx. So you've got everything there that you'll need for any small job. Let's pop those back into that moulded insert. It feels nice and secure in there. Moving on, we have 3 extension bars, and they are 55mm, 100mm and 150mm, making it really easy to get to those hard to reach places. And the final piece of this kit is a 1/4" flexible adapter, and these have been designed for those really hard to reach places. Due to its flexible pivot design, it means that it will get into any compact little tight situation that you find yourself in. So that's a great inclusion to this set. Now, all these tools don't come pre-lubricated, so we suggest that you lubricate them before use. This is another great kit from Nerrad Tools.